Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are going to discuss about some special entries of journal. So the first entry is compound entry. When two or more transactions of similar nature takes place, we can enter these transactions by means of combined or compound entry. So you need to keep two things in mind, that these transactions should be of similar nature and should take place at same time. Here is one precaution, that your total side of the debit column amount should be equal to your total side of credit column amount. Let's understand compound entry with the help of an example. On June 1, Anju contributed capital 50,000 and Manju contributed capital 70,000. So here capital is coming two times and they both are contributing cash. So the three accounts involved are Anju's capital, Manju's capital, and the third account involved is cash, which is common. You need to classify this. Anju is person, so it will come under personal account. Manju is a person, so it will come under personal account. And cash is asset of the business, so it will come under real account. The next step is to apply the rules. The rules of personal account says debit the receiver and credit the giver. Since Anju is the giver, we will credit. Manju is the giver, we will credit. Rules of real account says debit what comes in and credit what goes out. So we will debit the cash since it is coming in the business. Let's pass the necessary journal entry. So, date June 1, cash account debited with the debit amount to Anju's capital account 50,000, to Manju's capital account 70,000, and in the cash column we'll write the combined amount, that is 50,000 plus 70,000, that is 1,20,000, and narration capital invested by Anju and Manju. The next topic that we are going to talk about is discount. What is discount? Discount means reduction in the price. So, we have two types of discounts, trade discount and cash discount. First, the trade discount. Trade discount is a discount that you receive when you buy the goods in bulk. These discount is not recorded in books of the accounts. For example, if you buy goods worth rupees 1 lakh rupees and you get discount 2000, so you will record only 98,000 in the books of accounts and 2000 is ignored. The second type of discount is cash discount. Cash discount is a discount that is given by the seller to encourage instant payment, so that customers give payments easily and quickly. These are recorded in books of accounts. Taking the same example, if you buy 1 lakh goods and you get 2000 discount, so here will be the journal entry. Purchases account debited to cash account to discount received. Since it is a profit for the organization, so it will come on the credit side. So let's see how the discount will be recorded if it is received or if it is allowed. When the discount is allowed, it is loss for the organization. For example, on July 13, received 24,000 from Saloni in full settlement of her account 25,000. That is, you received the cash 24,000 and you have given 1,000 as discount, as she has to pay 25,000. So now we need to see which three accounts are involved. First is cash, second is Saloni, and third is discount. Since it is loss for the organization, so discount will be debited, and here is the journal entry. Cash account debited, discount allowed debited to Saloni's account. In cash account 24,000, Saloni's account 25,000, and in discount allowed 1,000 will come as the difference between 25,000 and 24,000. And here is the narration, received cash from Saloni in full settlement of the account. Let's see how the transaction will be recorded in case of discount received. Since you are receiving the discount, it will be profit for the organization as you have to pay less. So paid cash to Ria 14,500 in full settlement of her account 15,000. You have to pay 15,000, but instead of paying 15,000 you are only paying 14,500. So three accounts involved are cash, Ria and discount. So discount will come on the credit side as it is profit for the organization. So Ria's account debited as she is the receiver, to cash account and to discount received. 15,000 in Ria's account, 14,500 in cash account, and the difference 500 will come under the discount received column. Here is the narration that paid 14,500 to Ria in full settlement of the account. The next topic that we are going to talk about is bad debts. So, what are bad debts? Imagine if someone becomes insolvent, he or she is incapable of paying the money. So, the loss that is incurred by the firm or the company is known as bad debts. Here, Neeraj, who has to pay us 10,000 rupees, is now insolvent, that is incapable of paying the money. He or she only paid 25% cash. So, three accounts involved here are bad debts, Neeraj, and cash. So, you need to classify these accounts. Bad debts is basically loss, so it will come under nominal account. Neeraj is a person, so it will come under personal account. Cash is the asset of the organization, so it will come under real account. Now you need to apply the rules. Debit the losses and expenses, you will credit the giver, and you will debit what comes in. So let's pass the necessary journal entry. Here, what you will do, you will write the date. After writing the date, you will write cash account debited, bad debts account debited, to Neeraj's account, and in debit column, since 25% is received, 2500, 7500 is the balance, and total 10,000. Narration, you will write that cash received from Neeraj, who is now insolvent. Now let's discuss about the entries related to checks. So the first entry is received and deposited check on the very same day. So the entry will be, since cash is coming in the bank, so bank account debited to customer's account. As customer is the giver, you will write the narration as check received and deposited on the very same day. The second entry is when you receive the check but you deposit the check the next day. So, when you receive the check, you will pass the entry as check in hand account debited to customer's account, since customer is giving. On the very next day, you need to pass the entry. So, bank account debited to check in hand account. It is no longer in use, and you will write the narration as check deposited on the very next day. The third entry related to the check is when checks are dishonored. Checks are refused by the banks. The banks can refuse the check due to any reason, and this reason can be, maybe your sign is not there or your sign is wrong, maybe you have overwritten the value. So what you will do, you will pass the reverse entry. So customer's name account debited to bank account, and you will write the narration as checks dishonored. That's all for today. Hope you like my video. If you like my video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel to never miss any updates. Thank you.